You should be stronger than me. You've been here 7 years longer than me. Don't you know you're supposed to be the man? Now pale in comparison to who you think I am. You always wanna talk it through. I don't care. I always have to come for you when I'm there. But that's what I need you to do. Stroke my hair. 'Cause I've forgotten all our young love story. Feel like a lady and you my lady boy. You should be stronger than me. But instead you're longer than frozen turkey. Why'd you always put me in control? All I need is for my man to live up to his role. You always wanna talk it through. I'm okay. I always have to come for you every day. But that's what I need you to do. Are you gay? 'Cause I've forgotten all our young love story. Feel like a lady and you my lady boy. He said, all the respect I made you earn. Thought you had so many lessons to learn. I said, you don't know what love is, get a grip. It sounds as if you're reading from some other ticket script. And I'm not gonna meet your mother anytime. I just wanna grip your body over mine. Tell me why you think that's such a crime. 'Cause I've forgotten all our young love story. Feel like a lady and you my lady boy. You should be stronger than me, yeah. You should be stronger than me. You should be stronger than me.